Hello everyone, welcome to El George's channel. Today I have a little task is to assemble this what looks like a little dinosaur toy. Well, let's open it. First we have the instructions. Well, it looks like there's 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, first thing first, let's take this one. Seems like the first piece to assemble. Secondly, looks like this one. I would say it goes there. Third, this one. All right, and lastly this one. Okay, why are we watching this grown man assembling a dinosaur toy? And this probably is the stand. Let's pick a hole. There you go. Well, I work with elders, and believe it or not, this is where we're going. At some point in your life, you might have to do that kind of things, just to make sure that your dexterity, your mind stay sharp. It seems silly, but it has a purpose, according to me. So now, what is that dinosaur, for those who would like to know? It's an Arizonosaurus, most probably. I'm not 100% certain, but this is what it looks like, at least according to what I could find on the internet. Is that an Arizonosaurus? Looks like it has sharp teeth, right? It's not a vegetarian species. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you liked it, and big thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.